Well, shall we proceed?
Your call.
Amazing! I couldn't follow any of it. How about you?
No.
No! Don't try to block it, Goku!
Who would have thought? A lowly soldier like you, Kakarot. I commend you. Frieza, you fool. You just don't get it, do you? Kakarot's not an ordinary Saiyan. Kakarot is a Super Saiyan! That's right. You heard me. If there's a god, he must be good for letting me live long enough to see this day. Oh, great! This is a dream come true to see you beaten by a Saiyan!
Enough, loudmouth. On and on like a broken record.
Oh, no! What's your problem? He was no threat to you anymore. He couldn't even defend himself. There's no honor in that.
It was the only way I could shut him up. He insists on babbling about that ridiculous legend. There's no such thing as a Super Saiyan.
Kakarot, listen to me. Don't be so soft. There's no stinking honor in any of this. It's just a game. Play to win. There are no rules to it. You have to forget about your feelings. You have to. They'll get you killed. They'll get you killed, Kakarot.
I can't. I can't change who I am. Not on the battlefield. My feelings are my guide. Besides, everybody deserves a chance to change their ways, just like you had.
Fool, you don't know what you're dealing with. He killed our home planet. It was him.
He's just a corpse and he's still blabbing. I'll have to gag him to shut him up.
Your father and mine, the whole planet. He blew it up. It's true. No one's survived but us. Ask him if you want. He'll tell you. He's proud of it.
Please stop talking, Vegeta. It's sapping all of your strength.
No. Listen. You have to hear this. We worked so hard for him. We did everything he asked of us and more. He took me from my father when I was just a little boy. He made me do whatever he wanted and said he would kill my father if I didn't. I did everything he asked, but he killed him anyway, along with everyone else. He was scared of us. Scared that a Super Saiyan would be born to rise up and overthrow him.
A touching story.
Please, no more. Save your strength.
Kakarot, please, destroy Frieza. He made me what I am. Don't let him do it to anyone else. Whatever it takes, stop him. Please.
Vegeta. You're not as cold-hearted as you believed yourself to be. A heart of stone can't shed tears like you did. You must have been holding them back your whole life. Huh! I think I understand you now. You weren't grieving over your own death, or because our home planet was destroyed. You were grieving because he turned you into what he wanted you to be. You never had a chance to be anything else. Well, I still respect you. I know you made a lot of mistakes. But now I see that it wasn't all your fault. You had the fiery will of a Saiyan. Please share that with me now, because I need it. Thank you for saving my son's life and for buying enough time for me to recuperate. I'll do my best to carry out your wish. It's true, Vegeta's right. You have no honor. For him, and for everyone else you've destroyed, I am going to finish you.
Hey! Let's get out of here, Gohan. You can only get in the way.
I'm leaving you, Dad! Don't you dare lose!
Now I'm going to end this fight. But allow me to let you in on a little secret. I've only used 1% of my power.
Huh? What? No way, you're bluffing. It's just not possible.
I've never had to summon this much of my power to defeat someone. 50% of my maximum, that's all that's required for this.
I wouldn't worry too much about Goku yet, Chaozu. No sweat. He's gonna be fine.
What?
Don't forget, Goku still has an ace up his sleeve. Thanks to you. Goku hasn't used the Kaioken attack yet. He'll set Frieza straight when he does.
You don't know what you're talking about. Goku has been using the Kaioken attack the entire time. But now Frieza's picking him apart, even when he's fully energized by the attack. I don't know how long he can last.
And I don't care if you're a million times stronger than me! Mark my words, I'm not going to let them down! So get ready, Frieza, because this time you're going down! You're mine, Frieza!
Prepare for battle! What the? My guess is that you're all out of gas. What? What is he doing?
There! Up in the sky!
That's the spirit bomb! And it's about to detonate!
I call upon the trees and the water, the sun, the moon and the stars, the plants and the animals, all living things. Let me share your power.
Look at it! It gets bigger every second!
Frieza doesn't seem to be capable of detecting the attack. So tell me what's taking Goku so long to use it?
Probably because Goku doesn't think it's big enough to defeat Frieza. Oh no! Frieza knows!
Don't think so. Not yet.
Just a little bit longer.
So have you had enough?
Give me your hands.
Huh? Here.
What's that? That's not the sun. Huh? Huh? He created it.
That should do it. We don't want to give up all our energy. Frieza knows about Goku's attack. Gohan, Krillin, you stay put and don't move. I've got some unfinished business to take care of.
Kaboom.
Piccolo?
Goku, you must hurry and finish collecting energy for your attack.
Yeah, you got it.
Come on, you've got to hurry up. That attack used up all the power I had left in me.
I'm trying.
You and this entire planet will be reduced to nothing but dust!
Goku, is it ready?
Yes, it's complete.
Come on, do it! Hit the dirt!
Impossible! I can't control it. It's too powerful.
Finally happened. Goku defeated Frieza. Goku has defeated Frieza.
Dad!
Go on. Hey, sorry to make you worry.
Goku, your spirit bomb was just awesome! It was so huge!
That's because it was filled with the energy of every living creature in the solar system.
I gotta admit, I thought that I'd never see you again.
Surely you must have had more faith in your father than that.
Well, guys, if we leave right now, it'll take us just about 5 days to get home. What is it, Krillin?
No, Piccolo.
Piccolo? Hey, Piccolo!
The spaceship I used to get to this planet shouldn't be too far from here. Find Bulma the ship, and then get as far away from here as you can.
If you think that your little friends can escape me, you're sadly mistaken.
Look out!
This time you won't come back.
Krillin, no! Frieza, stop this!
Help me!
I won't let you get away with this! I won't let you! Listen very carefully. You must leave this planet now and take Piccolo with you. Got it? This is the last time I'm going to tell you! Get out of here right now, Gohan!
Only I decide who leaves here today. What?
You just don't know when to stop! Enough is enough! First Vegeta, then Piccolo, and now my best friend, Krillin! You don't care. I can see that. Their lives mean absolutely nothing to you. You're not in the least bit sorry. Even now, all you can think about is how to destroy me.
How did you get this incredible power? Don't tell me. It's true, isn't it?
No more! No more!
can't I hit you? Just tell me!
You didn't say please. You can destroy planets, but you can never destroy what I am, friend.
You... What are you?
I am the hope of the universe. I am the answer to all living things that cry out for peace. I am protector of the innocent. I am the light in the darkness. I am truth.
There it is! Dad's spaceship! It looks okay! Hang on, Piccolo! We're going home!
Now say goodbye to Namek!
Where are you?
Hey, thanks! Wow, but hey, what took you so long, you big jerk? And you could have left yourself more than 1 second to spare, you know. This is my life we're talking about here. Hello? Wake up, Paul!
Oh, God, I'm afraid.
It looks like we'll be sticking around for a while.
King Kai, can you hear me? This is Kami.
Tommy?
Do you remember my trusty assistant, Mr. Popo?
Short guy?
Yes, that's him. Well, he's been searching for the Dragon Balls, and he's doing very well, bless him. He already has 5 of them.
Tommy, exactly where are you?
Why, I'm on Earth, of course.
Hey, that means that you're still alive, Kami.
Huh?
Do you know what this means, Kami? Piccolo must still be alive.
Huh? Yes, I couldn't be here if he wasn't.
Well, guys, Piccolo's alive.
Really?
Damn. I held back too much power.
So you couldn't do it. You couldn't go through with it after all, huh?
Huh?
I don't blame you. Destroying both of us to make sure that I don't win isn't any way to fight. It's just another way of giving up.
You still don't get it, do you? I didn't plan on destroying myself, just you and the planet. I can breathe in space and you can't. That means if the planet goes, then you won't have any more air to live on. And I shall be victorious. 5 minutes. That's how long you have. This planet is still going to blow. The core has been completely disintegrated.
5 minutes is all that I need. It won't even take me that long to beat you and leave with my friends on my spaceship.
You underestimate me. The true depth of my power escapes you. Well, it's time that you experience the ultimate Frieza! Bingo!
King Kai?
Yes, I'm fine. Now, Tommy, listen up, please.
Huh? You have a wish, King Kai?
Yes, to restore all those killed by Frieza and his gang back to life. I know it's a little confusing, but if we revive all of the victims of Frieza and his gang, then the Namets will all be brought back, and I think Guru will be too.
But I thought Guru died of natural causes.
No, Guru died of a broken heart. Such was the pain that he felt over the loss of his people, Frieza's handiwork.
I see.
Now, when Guru returns, then there will be one more wish to be granted by the Dragon of Namek, because Gohan and Krillin only used 2.
And that wish?
That wish will be to transport everyone on Namek except Frieza to the planet Earth. And as a going-away present, we'll give the planet Namek to Frieza, which should explode in his face and blow into smithereens after everyone's gone!
Not bad. It's brilliant, but extremely risky.
Say it now, and it will be so granted.
Yes, of course. Can you please restore the lives of all those killed by Frieza and his gang? Is it within your power to grant this wish?
I will try.
We can't wait anymore! Do you hear me? We need to get out of here right now! Oh my gosh! Gohan, are you okay? I know it's hard, but we've gotta go!
I'm staying, Bulma. You're gonna have to leave with Piccolo.
What? Hey! This isn't funny!
I'm part Saiyan, Bulma. Frieza's going to hunt me down wherever I go. The last thing I want to do is lead him back to Earth. I don't want to be a danger to anybody. I know what I've got to do.
That's nonsense! Let's go! You're not sure that he's going to follow you. We really should get out of here before it's too late! Gohan, no! Go! You can't put this on yourself!
Don't worry about me. This is the way that I want it. I'll be all right. You take care of Piccolo.
Gohan, no! This is suicide!
No way! This is life! Piccolo would understand, and so would my dad. Besides, I don't intend to die. Frieza's bound to be hurting if he was fighting my dad. Maybe I can beat him. I've got to give it a try. So long!
Gohan, wait! Gohan, come back! Please, don't leave me!
Someone make the wish as you have directed. But there's no time to lose. We must hurry.
No! Don't do it! Huh? King Kai, please make a change in your wish. King Kai, don't have the dragon send me back to Earth. Ask the dragon to send everyone to Earth except for Frieza and me.
We have work to do. Do you see the dragon before you, my son?
Yes, Guru.
There they are. Yes. Astounding.
Isn't that the dragon? Yes, it's wish time!
Oh no! Frieza!
No, no!
dragon, I wish for eternal life. Grant me immortality!
no meka kitas earth! Minas purungans por kulu dus!
Yes, very well. I will grant it. I will move everyone on Namek to planet Earth except these two.
Huh? Why, you little runt?
Frieza!
Hey, yeah!
I killed you! You must be a ghost!
Can a ghost do this? Huh, Frieza?
Those dragon balls. What? No! I waited so long. Those planets would have flown by now. But this is a tough old bird. I'll give her 2 more minutes. Only one of us is leaving alive! I hate you!
Your energy level is decreasing with every blow. In fact, you're not even a challenge to me anymore. It wouldn't be fair for me to keep fighting you. I'm satisfied now. Your pride has been torn to shreds. You've challenged and lost to a fighter who is superior to you, and to make it worse, he's just a monkey, right? It would be meaningless to fight you now. You're too scared and ashamed. Live with the shock. Keep it bottled up inside you, silently. Goodbye, Frieza. Never do mischief again. May you live the rest of your life in peace.
I will never be defeated!
You truly are a helpless fool! I gave you one last chance to live! And this is how you repay me? Hey, look out behind you!
My own attack?
Though you brought all this on yourself, it's a shame that your life had to end in such a miserable way.
Please, help me. Please, have mercy.
How many people begged for their lives at your feet and you killed them anyway? Did you show me mercy when I asked you to spare my best friend Krillin?
Forgive me.
I gave you some of my own energy. You should be able to move. Go and do as you like with it. You're on your own now.
Now learn. Learn what happens when you mess with the most powerful being in the universe!
You fool!